how to fix Fall Guy downloading content fail error problem. So how can you fix this issue or problem? So guys, watch my video and do not forget to like or subscribe my channel. So let's start our video. If you are also facing the same type of the error, downloading content failed showing too many times, so how can you fix this issue or how can you fix this error? So you just need to follow these steps. First of all, you just need to close your game, then go to your click on network section. Here is the network. So I have just click and check your network, which was you have connected. Go to network and internet setting, click on here. Then you just need to also check your date and time of your PC computer. So you just need to check your any incorrect date or time. So you just need to click and select automatically date and time. Then you just need to check your internet connection, network connection. If you have seen any error or many other things, so you just need to disconnect your Wi-Fi network or any other network, and then again on your mobile data, then start your hotspot and you can use againly your game. So you just need to refresh your Wi-Fi or other network which was you have connected. So here is the connecting. You just need to click on disconnect button, just click on automatically connect. You just need to disconnect, and after that you just need to reconnecting it. After that it will be reconnecting, and then you just need to go your game and you can see your problem will be fixed. So do not forget to like or subscribe my channel.